Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix photo disappearing issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on this three dot icon and click on hide albums. After click on hide albums, if you want to fix this problem, so unhide albums and turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see albums is showing here, and select your, and you will see select album and see your photo. So you will see photo is not available. Go back to home screen, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search gallery app from here. Click on gallery app. Scroll down and click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app and scroll down to end and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but your picture is still disappearing. Click on gallery app and click on menu and click on recycle bin, and you will see your picture is showing in recycle bin. Click on select, and after select multiple photo, click on restore. So that's how you can fix photo disappearing issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.